Sabi,
Yeah.
sino gusto mo makakolab? Siyempre,
And si TJ Monterde, since he collabed with 10cm,
oo.
so I wanna collab with 10cm as
Pupunta
well.
si 10cm lagi sa Pilipinas.
Oo nga po,
Sininterview ko siya.
nakikita ko.
Tsaka kinanta niya yung paborito ko sa Queen of Tears.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ay,
Don't
wait.
you-
Ganun ba? Really want to do, yun nga, like OSTs in the future sa Korean or in English, pwede din ganun. And 10cm does a lot of OSTs. Right?
Yes. Pati sa ano, 'di ba? Sa Lovely Runner.
So, yes, of
Diba,
course, I love
diba?
Runner.
Ooh, oo, so
wonderful.
that's the path you wanna take.
Yeah, not just dito sa Sing Again, I showed myself as a singer, pero in the future as a singer-songwriter at the same time, siguro in the far future, as a producer.
Tagalog songs.
Tagalog songs, of course.
Madami na.
Oh, of course. I want to write din. I have a lot to, na write ko na po. Kaso, ayun, dahil